Hi there, this is Irma from Food for Healthy Bones with Skelly. Hey Skelly. Skeleton that lives on the song. You see that Skelly has changed her apron now into a spring-like atmosphere, although it's still January. But this is part of my I Hate to Cook series. And what I'm going to show you today is how to make popcorn. Very, very simple, because so many people in my Bones tribe and in my Bones community are saying, how about some snacks? So I'm going to give you some bone-loving snacks. We're going to use organic corn. And the reason why this is so vitally important, because corn typically in this country is GMO'd. So we want organic corn just to take care of our digestive tract, okay? Spend the extra money on organic. We're going to put in salt, sea salt. We're going to have coconut oil. I'm going to add the Bragg's nutritional yeast for the vitamin B's for the vegetarians, and we're going to add spices. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of the organic corn kernels into my hot air popper and turn it on. I melted 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil that I'll be putting into the popcorn to hold on to the salt and the nutritional yeast. And the medicinal uses for coconut oil are almost endless. But from the point of view of medicinal use, it fights inflammation, it boosts the immunity, and supposedly it has bone advantages to it, although I'm not sure about that because I haven't done extensive research. But coconut oil is a saturated fat, so people need to know that. It also is a sleep aid and a candida killer and a fat burning supplement from a supplemental point. And for many, it's a wonderful digestive support. So we're going to add the coconut oil, and we're going to add the salt, sea salt. So here's the coconut oil that I have melted, and I'm going to start with just a little bit to begin, like 3 tablespoons. So it was originally 2 tablespoons that I melted together. And then I'm going to toss this around, add a little nutritional yeast, and this tastes just like cheese. Remember those old cheese puffs that I used to eat them. A little bit of sea salt. And that's pretty much it. That's good to go. Now, for the more extravagant users or want to have a little change up in their tastes, you can always add curry powder or chili powder or a little turmeric. But for simple, we're just going to keep it simple and give it a taste and see if it needs anything. Yeah, that's good to go. So there it is. You just need a popcorn maker, and then you need all those ingredients, which are very simple. You need the coconut oil, sea salt, and your nutritional yeast. And that's it. Bye for now.